Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, hello my lions living in our new strength. Today is, what is today? Wednesday. Ooh, I love Wednesdays. Okay, we have a 3-layer cake. First layer is our 5 routines. 5 is the number of grace. We can do these. We have the grace to do it. Morning routines, laundry, paper, an inch, after dinner routine, before bed routine. Those things we can do. Next, we're going to do our basic weekly plan. Why do I love Wednesdays? Because it's planning and desk day. It's like a great plan for the next week. It gives you that organization, that control that make you feel good. So we're going to start out by looking in our refrigerator. If you have to go to work, do this quickly while the kids are getting ready in the morning. Go take a look in your fridge, dump anything that's dead, throw anything out that's all empty. Take stock of what you need, take some notes, take a picture, whatever you need to do. Look in your freezer, look in your pantry, and go grab the inbox things out of your inbox so that you can handle that today at work, and any manual bills that you may have to bring with you if you're not banking online, which I highly recommend. Okay, next now if you're at home, you're going to start your laundry now. Go through an inch of paper after you've done the morning routines. Start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, and then go straight into our basic weekly plan, planning and desk day. And we're going to go straight to the refrigerator. We're going to give it a wipe out after we get rid of the things that died and the things that shouldn't be in there anymore, and wipe it down a little bit. Organize things. Put the dairy products together. Put the drinks together. Put the leftovers that you are going to use that are still good together. Put the vegetables together, the fruits together. Organize it, the condiments together. It's so much easier to see what you have when it's organized. Wipe the little shelves if you have any sticky things or drippy things that need to come out, and take a look, see where you have some room for food. Don't buy something huge that's not going to fit in there. You'll be frustrated. Just take a look and see what you've really got. Look in your freezer, see what you need to use up. Look in the pantry, kind of organize that. Put your snacks together, your canned goods together, your spices together. You don't have to clean it today. Just give it a quick little reorganization. I know that when you clean your kitchen in zone 2, this is one of the areas you like to work on. So just give it a little dust off, get it straightened a little bit. And then make your list based on what you have. You can make a menu. You can see what you can have for breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. For example, in your freezer you have Eggo waffles, but you don't have any syrup. Put syrup on your list. Maybe you like butter on your waffles and you're out of butter too. Put that on your list. Maybe the kids drink milk with it, or almond milk. You got to get some of that. Put it on your list. All right, and then you found crackers and you found cheese. Oh, that can go in your snacks. You found some hummus, a half a container of hummus, and you've still got some baby carrots. Those can be snacks. Okay, so start thinking about all the different snacks you can have. So when your kids say, what's for snack? You can say, we've got this, 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 and this. And fruit, they might have fruit roll-ups. They might have a fresh piece of a fresh nectarine. I don't know. It's different in every household, but whatever you have, you can tell them when you've made a list. You can say, this is what we have. There's a few more cookies in there. You can have those with a little glass of milk. Or it's too close to dinner. I don't want you having anything. Dinner will be ready in about 10 minutes. So sit tight. I'm starving. Give me a bite. No, it'll be ready in 10 minutes, I promise. Go get a drink of water. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to really make that menu, and then I want you to go over to your desk, and I want you to sit the menu down. I want you to go through your action items. Take care of those things that require action or filing. Then look at your bills. Pay your bills. Balance your checkbook. Pay your bills. Make sure there's nothing weird going on with your debit card or credit card. Look at your budget. Think about how much money you really are going to spend for groceries, and if you're doing that well. And then take your grocery list and see if you can fit that into your budget, or what you might need to change, or what you might still want to use up at the house and not buy. You don't have to buy the big one. You don't have to buy two of them if they're on sale. You just don't have to. You're actually going to save money. I mean, in the long run, you'll save money, but if you're trying to really live in a budget, then you don't want to overspend and say, well, I'll take that out of next week. That doesn't work. So just buy what you need, okay? All right, and then after that, that's planning and desk day. Look at your planner. Put stuff in your planner. What are your meals in your planner? What are your meals? What are you having for, what are you doing on what days? What's your zone? What are you doing? What's your basic weekly plan? You know, what time do the kids need to go to bed? What are you doing on Saturday? What are you doing for your free day? Get it all in there. All right? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful planning and desk day. Oh, yes, and we're in zone 3. No, we're in zone 4. We're in zone 4. The master bedroom, the master bathroom, and the master closet. So once you're through with that, you're going to go work in your bedroom in zone 4, doing one thing, or doing one deep clean, or doing 15 minutes of decluttering. Now look, if you haven't made your bed as part of your morning routine, that's not part of your zone work. That's your morning routine. So get in there and get that bed made. All right, that's it. Now, if you're working outside of the home, you're going to come home. You're going to look at that item that you delegated for the basic weekly plan, for the weekly home blessing hour. Sorry. You're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, start your dinner. While dinner is simmering, you're going to work in your zone for 15 minutes. Go in your bedroom and do something for yourself in there. Okay, and then you're going to inspect what you expect. The other thing is we're going to do our after dinner routine together, all of us with our kids, and our before bed routine. Don't forget 3 clutter checks a day. It's very important to keep the clutter from coming back in. Until your kids leave home, you're going to be doing 3 clutter checks a day. Again, it is not an accusatory thing. It is a simple reminder because this is mindless clutter that you and your family have brought into your home. Okay, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.